Hello and welcome to our SketchUp tutorials for beginners. Besides working with the original SketchUp materials and the built-in V-Ray material library, it is very easy to create your own custom materials too. Working with custom materials can give you the extra edge you're looking for, or just provide a more realistic representation of the desired shader. There are a few very basic concepts when creating almost any material in V-Ray. And on top of those, you can start building complex and beautiful shaders for your future work. Let's start with a basic glossy material for the vase. Here, you just need a desired diffuse color and a bit of a reflection. Have in mind that when working with white colors in the real world, there rarely would be fully white material, so close values work best. Next, let's create a metal. Metals are achieved best when using a completely black diffuse and creating the color from the reflection. In the case of gold, yellowish. The main difference here is that metals have a very high IOR, index of refraction, value, normally above 10. To change that, you need to go to the arrow on the right and change the material settings in detail. With the same approach, and just a different color and index of refraction value, we create the second metal, a warmer one. The third material here is glass for the second vase. With glass-like materials, again, a black diffuse and a high reflection would look realistic. Then we need a refraction amount. An easy way to make the material more complex is changing the glossiness. In the case of refraction glossiness, lowering this value makes the glass look frosted. But more realistic results don't go with a value lower than 0.5. Just like this, with a few basic steps, you can start building your own materials. From then on, there are infinite possibilities to making them more complex and realistic. And don't forget to experiment as much as you can. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more great tips on how to use SketchUp. Have questions? Consider getting SketchUp Pro or want to get in touch? Feel free to find us at www.aeco.space. See you next time.